Hello students, today let us discuss a problem on the refrigerator. A problem on the COP of the household refrigerator is 1.3. So it removes heat from the refrigerated space at a rate. So they have given the COP, that is coefficient of performance of the refrigerator, is 1.3, and it removes heat from the refrigerator. So removes means it is QL, that is rejected heat. Now they are asking us to calculate the electric power consumed by the refrigerator and also the rate of heat transfer to the kitchen air. So first of all, let us write down the given data for the solution. Given data is, they have given the COP, that is 1.3. Then they have given QL, that is the heat rejected, is 70 kilojoules per minute. Now how do you calculate? How do you convert this into kilojoules per second? That is 70 divided by 60. So you will get 1.167 kilojoules per second, or we can write it as kilowatt because joules per second is watt. Then now COP is QC, that is heat rate at cold, and heat rate with cold minus the difference with the hot heat rate, heat transfer. So you can write this COP as QL divided by W. Now to calculate the power consumed, W is equals to QC or QL divided by COP. So we get it. We already know what is QL. So that is 1.167 kilowatt divided by the COP, that is 1.3. So the value of W is, that is the power consumed by the refrigerator, we get it as 0.898 kilowatt. So this is the value of W. Now they are asking us to calculate the heat which is transferred to the kitchen air. So that is, we know W is equals to QL QC minus QH. We can write it as QH, that is heat rejected to the kitchen air, is equals to QL minus W. So that is 1.167 kilowatt minus 0.898 kilowatt. So we get 0.269 kilowatt. So they had asked us to calculate two parameters, that is the power consumed as well as the heat rejected to the kitchen air. So we have calculated both the parameters. So I hope you have understood this simple problem. Thank you.